Dear subscribers, they'll tell you how turn off receiving direct messages on Instagram. So actually you need to open the settings. Just tap here, just choose settings on the top of corner, and here you will see all the settings. So here you just need to tap on privacy. In the privacy you just need to choose here messages, the last option, and here you can also just choose potential connections, your followers on Instagram, requests. Also you can just choose don't receive requests, and you won't receive any messages from even from your followers. Here you can see second option, Facebook friends or people you've chatted to in Messenger, friends of Facebook, people with your phone number. So actually you can choose for every option of here. You can see other on Instagram, other on Facebook. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.